Auto Sales. We're out driving our 79 Dodge Ramcharger. Speedometer, I would say, reads a little fast. I bet we're just probably going somewhere between 55 and 60, so I'd assume it's probably about 10 miles an hour off. Fuel gauge works, oil pressure, temp gauge coming up. It's got a new steering sector, so drives really nice. You can see in some of the pictures some of the new parts. Previous owner said over 7,000 in repairs. So if you're looking for a good mechanical Ramcharger, this one works. I just tried to set the cruise, which I would be totally amazed if that worked. Cruise does not work, and wouldn't expect it to. But just drive it, maybe to put a new windshield in it, get rid of that crack right there. But just drive it the way it is. Perfect. Take the whole top off. Cruise on the beach, in the mountains, wherever. Or restore it. Nice, solid Ramcharger. Doesn't need a little bit of interior work and some very few minor spots to fix the rust. So underneath's really nice and solid. So, looking for a pretty good Ramcharger. This one probably fits the bill. Any questions? 605-695-7391.